Hi everyone, welcome back to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to bring you another helpful computer science tutorial today. In this video, we're diving into how to change the language on Windows 11. Whether you're setting up a new PC, helping a friend, or just want to switch things up, I've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide. Let's make tech easy and fun together. Stick around and let's get started. Alright, let's jump right in. First, click the Start button that's the Windows icon on your taskbar and select Settings. This opens up the hub for all your system tweaks. Next, in the Settings window, scroll down and click Time and Language. Then choose Language and Region from the options. You might notice a list of languages already installed. This is where the magic happens. After that, click Add a Language. Pick your preferred language from the drop-down like Spanish, French, or whatever you're feeling, and hit Next. Be sure to select the option to set it as your display language if you want everything to change. Finally, sign out and back in, or restart your PC, and boom, your Windows 11 is now in your chosen language. It's that simple. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech tutorials. Your support encourages me to keep creating content like this, so don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.